Hi my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Modern Peach, which is my catch-all classic size happy planner for the week of the 16th of March through the 22nd. So we have two things going on that week. We have St. Patty's Day and we have first day of spring. So I can't wait to be able to decorate those with you. I have no clue what I'm doing this week, so I just pulled out a whole bunch of books that have happy planner stuff, like Wear Green, like I just pulled, and so on and so forth. And then there's Rainbow Washi that I wanted to use. I'm going to place it on the bottom of the page. And even though it says dreams, plans are dreams in the making, if I put a rainbow, it's gonna kind of look like rainbow in the making, which is fine with me. So I'm just centering this more or less on the page, and then that one is very short, so I'm just gonna put it in the center. How is everybody doing with the state of emergency that our country's in with the coronavirus and the economy and the stock market crashing and all of those things going on? Are you guys kind of expecting to be quarantined for the next 4 weeks in our country or so? Or do you think this will not happen? So we're not going to be kind of like Italy or China, that we're going to be fine. How are you guys thinking? I went grocery shopping today, which is Friday the 13th, and the grocery stores were empty. I normally shop for my groceries on Friday when I have time, and if not, on a Sunday. And let me tell you, it was completely empty. It's kind of sad how this is kind of going, but nevertheless, I hope that everybody's doing well and that you're doing okay. And even though you might have kids who are staying from school, that you're not going crazy and that your planner is kind of keeping you a little bit happy when you look at it, because we all put so much energy and so much effort into our planners to make them so pretty. So I hope they at least bring you a little bit of joy like they do for me. And for those of you who don't have kids, and if you get quarantined, what are you going to be doing? Are you going to be playing with your planner and watching movies the whole time? Like, what are we going to do for a full month if we do get quarantined? I know that I have enough stickers, especially the new ones, where I'll probably plan out maybe even a couple months in advance. I'll just be so happy to sit and plan. However, I know that a lot of people who wouldn't be able to make any income if they were not actually working. So hopefully it doesn't get to that point, or if it does, the government will do something for individuals like so. But we'll see what happens. For right now, I'm going to focus on St. Patty's Day, and as you can see, I pulled out my giant book, the Mega Sticker Book, the rainbow one. I think that one's very useful, and I love that it's divided into colors. And I'm just pulling a whole bunch of boxes to place on throughout the week. And the checklists are from the 1829 book. And it's kind of neat that they have like either flowers or kind of look like clovers, but not quite. And then that lime green is absolutely perfect. It's very bright and happy, and it kind of reminds me of like this Granny Smith green, which I really like. So I'm just kind of distributing boxes all over the place, and I'm making everything green. All of the stuff that I think I'm going to be adding as far as functionality will be green. And then I'm going to add some clovers here and there to truly make it a St. Patty's spread. That bike is signifying kind of riding into spring with full force. So that's why that's there, but everything else kind of is different shades of green. And then the rainbow sticker book, the Mega Rainbow, has those dots for every single color. And I think they're so neat because you can make bullet points like so with those. And they're going to match your spread perfectly with all of the boxes. And you can place as much room as you might need or as little room as you might need, which is also very neat. And I'm going to place a big rainbow sticker right in the middle of the weekend. After all, this St. Patty's Day, and the leprechaun gold is always at the end of the rainbow. So there we go. This is why the rainbows are there. This spread is turning out so bright. It's making me so happy. I didn't think I'm going to like it. But I think it's growing on me. I think the more elements I add and the more filled it is, the more I like it. I probably will like it after the pen even more, because those are those sorts of spreads that I actually enjoy after I write in them, especially if I just keep it with a black pen and kind of have everything fade into the background, and the black pen will be standing out quite a bit. So it's time to place some more rainbows, and I think those are so cute. This is again from the memory keeping book. Possibly. I actually don't know which book this is. I'll tell you in a second. But for now, I'm just placing clovers and filling in the little spaces. And this umbrella has been staring at me, and I think it's time to put it right there to bring the pink to the other side. So this is actually a year, happy year, and they had those illustrations, so I used that. And more clovers, and some of these are more rainbows. I just want to bring the color into the spread. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. You guys have to agree with me that Happy Planner has, when it comes to graphics, such a gorgeous stickers. Like their florals and their little, especially those new seasonal books like the spring and fall and stuff, has such a beautiful happy graphics that somebody drew, and I think they make a lot of people happy. And this brings us pretty much to the end of the spread, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it's bringing you as much joy as it does to me. I'm just gonna fill up that Thursday and Friday. And a little tip, if you want to use the big stickers, because the memory is for big planners, you can put them sideways. Look, if you do it that way, it actually will fit into 2 boxes and then a bit. So, and then you can layer them like so, and it doesn't even look like it wasn't meant to be. I hope you enjoyed the spread. I certainly am growing to liking it, and hopefully you enjoy it too. Happy St. Patty's Day. Happy first day of spring. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. And to those of you who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys more than you know. For those of you who are visiting, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you on my channel as a regular part of the Plannerista 101 family. And I'll see you guys very, very soon for the next video. Bye!